Check-in process is the most important part of security at the airport. In checking process, people are very alert, and especially airport staffs. Identity checkups, baggage scanning, airport ticket checking, etc. Everything is checked very accurately, very attentively by different equipments, advanced technology equipment, so that nobody can carry foreign objects to harm other passengers, or so that no terrorist can hijack the plane and take it to unknown place and harm passengers. In this same way, when we take a spiritual flight, we should be very alert, so that like a terrorist who hijack the plane and take it to another place, in the same way, when we take a spiritual flight, we should be very alert that Maya is always behind us in the mind to divert us from Krishna consciousness. The Maya is always with us in our mind like a stream of images, and it diverts us from Krishna consciousness. We must always alert that negative qualities, bad habits like watching unnecessary bad thing on television, studying or reading mundane things, eating not food offered to Lord Krishna. We must always keep checking all these things, like check-in process at the airport. We must not keep loose our five senses, which is considered to be uncontrolled, like a wave of ocean. We must always check that we should not eat or involve negative things in our mind. Habits like envy, pride, jealousy, lust, greed. Just like terrorist hijacks the plane and can also harm the passengers, in the same way the terrorist of Maya can harm our spiritual progress.